Running YouTube ads for Clickbank is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Select a Clickbank product that you want to promote through your YouTube ads. Consider products with high gravity scores and relevance to your target audience. Before running ads, create a landing page where users can learn more about the Clickbank product and take action, such as making a purchase or signing up for a trial. Ensure that your landing page is optimized for conversions and complies with Clickbank's guidelines. If you don't already have one, sign up for a Google Ads account at ads.google.com. Ensure that the YouTube channel associated with your real estate business is linked to your Google Ads account. You can link your YouTube channel by following the instructions provided in the Google Ads interface. Once logged into Google Ads, click on the plus campaign button to create a new campaign. Then select video as the campaign type. Select a campaign goal that aligns with your objectives. For promoting Clickbank products, you might choose website traffic or conversions. Configure your campaign settings, including the campaign name, budget, bidding strategy, start and end dates, and target audience demographics. Within the campaign, create a new ad group where you will set up your YouTube ad targeting and settings. Specify the maximum cost per view or CPV bid for your ads. Create a compelling video ad that highlights the benefits and features of the Clickbank product. Your ad should grab viewers' attention, provide valuable information, and encourage them to take action. Include a clear call to action, prompting viewers to visit your landing page or take the desired action. Upload your video ad to your YouTube channel. Ensure that the video title, description, and tags are optimized for relevant keywords and search items. Set up conversion tracking in Google Ads to track conversions from your YouTube ads. This will help you measure the effectiveness of your campaign and optimize for better results. Review your campaign settings, targeting options, and ad creative to ensure everything is set up correctly. Once you're satisfied, click the Launch Campaign or Save and Continue button to launch your YouTube ad campaign. Regularly monitor the performance of your YouTube ad campaign in the Google Ads dashboard. Analyze metrics such as views, click-through rate or CTR, view duration, and conversions to assess the effectiveness of your ads. Optimize your campaign by adjusting targeting, bids, ad creative, and other settings based on performance data.